prices. NLC demands reversal over latest hike. Nigerians face another wave of fuel price increases as the Nigerian Petroleum Company Limited implements a significant price adjustment nationwide. NNPCL has raised premium motor spirit prices (PMS) to 1,030 naira per litre in Abuja and 998 naira in Lagos, marking a 14.8% increase. The Nigerian Labour Congress, through its president, Joe Ajaero, has demanded an immediate reversal of the price hike. The union described NNPC's pricing decision as an aberration in a market-driven economy. The price surge represents the second increase in just 1 month, pushing some states to witness prices as high as 1,300 naira per litre. Report from The Punch indicated that since the current administration took office, fuel prices have risen by over 430%. The impact is already visible across the nation, with prices reaching 1,250 naira per litre in Borno State, and stations in Kwara State selling at 1,045 naira. Edo and Delta States are reporting prices between 1,100 naira and 1,250 naira per litre, highlighting the widespread impact of the price increase.
And it's important for those in government to realize that governance is not just about increasing pump price of petroleum products. It appears that every morning people come out and increase. Is that all about governance? We have had agreements on looking at the issue of CNG, the impact on it. Today, it's not there. We have had agreement on the issue of Port Harcourt refinery functioning. It is not functioning today. And like I said earlier, they said if we deregulate, so that the private sector will come in and participate, it will involve, competition. And when there is competition, the market forces will determine the prices. Now, where does that economic...
The Manufacturers Association of Nigeria warns that this increase will significantly impact production costs and consumer purchasing power in the long run. The association's Director General, Segun Ajayi Kadri, emphasizes that the hike will affect the entire value chain, raising concerns about the future. This development comes shortly after NNPC's decision to terminate its exclusive purchase agreement with Dangote Refinery, effectively ending government subsidies on petrol completely. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available on NaijaNews TV.